Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started on this tutorial, I wanted to start highlighting comments. So this is a funny comment that I got on my last video. And if you have a funny, uplifting, positive comment that I just happen to love, I'll highlight you on the next video. So let's get started. Back to Kitchen Living with Shay. Today I'm going to be making a chicken broccoli rice, cauliflower rice casserole. This is an adaptation from the recipe from Rockin Robin Cooks. I'll put the link from to her video in the description box of this video. And with her, she used eggs and a few other ingredients. Today I'm just going to be using some cubed up chicken breast, broccoli, some cauliflower rice. The broccoli and the cauliflower rice I bought in one of my previous Costco hauls. These are pretty much staples. And I nuked them in a microwave for 4 minutes each, just to get the ice off of them. So they're ready to just kind of stir fry together. Or you can just put all of this stuff together, stir it up, put it in a pan, and bake it. So what I'm going to do right now, oh yeah, let me finish telling you what I have. So I have the cauliflower rice, the chicken, the broccoli. I'm using one package of the broccoli and one package of the cauliflower rice, just for reference. I have a cup of shredded cheese. I have a half cup of parmesan cheese. This is the one I'm using from Costco. And then I have about a half a cup of diced bell pepper. They are the tricolor bell pepper that you keep in your freezer. And so I just take them out, cut them up, and then put them in whatever recipe that I want to use. And I also have a quarter cup of onions. As a binder, I'm going to be using my xanthan gum. I'll use a quarter of a teaspoon. Be careful with this stuff, because if you don't, your item, whatever you're making, will taste like pudding. So as far as seasoning this, I'm going to go kind of basic. Salt, pepper, onion powder, and some garlic. These are pretty much my staple seasonings. You can switch it up if you like, but I'm just kind of going for basic. There's a lot of things already involved in this recipe, so I already know it's going to taste delicious. So I'll take you guys over to the stovetop where I'll saute up my chicken, because I want this to be super fast. In my pan, I have about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and I'm going to add my bell pepper and my onion. I'm going to add some salt so they can sweat a little. And this alone smells so good. So good. Okay, so in this pan, I'm sauteing my bell pepper and my diced onions and some avocado oil. I'm still going to bake this, so I'm just, cooking this for a few minutes. I'm going to bake this whole thing in my a small pan, an 8x8 pan, and my air fryer. You can use your oven or roaster oven or whatever you want to use. I'm going to use my air fryer because the pan fits perfectly in there. Next, I'm adding in my diced chicken. This is the equivalent of 2 regular size chicken breasts. I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm going to salt the chicken, pepper, and I'll add some onion powder. Yes. And you pretty much just cook this until the chicken is cooked on the outside. It can finish cooking inside in the pan. Okay, that's about it for the chicken. It's cooked pretty much halfway through. The vegetables are where I want them to be. So now we're gonna, I'll take you guys back over to the table and we're gonna combine all of the ingredients. Okay guys, I'm back. I have the cube chicken with the sauteed bell peppers, onions, and garlic in the bowl. This is what I'm gonna mix it in. So next I'm gonna take a 1/4 teaspoon of the xanthan gum and whisk it into my heavy cream. And I'm doing that because I do want a binder or thickener. In this bowl, I'm going to add the broccoli. I'll add the cauliflower. I did microwave them for about 4 minutes each. Oh, still have some broccoli left over here. This is the pan that I'm going to be putting this in. This pan may be too small, but we're gonna try it. So this pan, this 8x8 pan fits perfectly into my air fryer. My air fryer is a 6-quart gourmet air fryer, and I believe it's like a square shape. So I can put the pan in there, take it out, no problems. So next I'm gonna add in, well, I can stir this around a little bit. I'm stirring this around just a little bit. I'll stir it some more after I place the cheese in there. And you can kind of taste this. I added extra salt into my chicken because I know the broccoli doesn't have salt. I know the cauliflower doesn't. I want this to have some kind of flavor, so I made sure that the garlic and everything will kind of meld together and work together. And you know, there's some salt from the cheese. We don't want salty, but we don't want plain. And you guys know I go hard for the black pepper, so now I'm gonna add in the parmesan. Let me mix this together. Actually, no, I'll add in the xanthan gum and heavy cream mixture. I'll add that in right now so it can start its binding process. That looks so pretty. I might pull this out of the shot just so I can bring it closer to me and mix everything together. I hate this one.
I'm changing it, you guys. I needed to use something harder. Sometimes those rubber utensils, they don't get the job done. So I don't want to mix this, like, as far as stirring it, I don't want to stir it, but I do want the cream and the cheese and that xanthan gum to touch everything. And that way, I know once the heat hits it, it'll just melt. So adjust your seasonings at this point.
Make the executive decision what it is you want to do. I'll put this in the pan, cover it with foil, bake it on 350 for 30 minutes, and then when I take it out, I might top it with some more cheese. If it all doesn't fit, what I'll do is just I'll make a ramekin or two of the same dish. So I have my avocado oil spray, and I'm going to spray the pan. And then I'll put everything inside of it. So I even broke apart some of the broccoli florets, because if you're familiar with the Costco broccoli, they are huge. So if you want to have a bite of everything in each, if you want a little bit of everything in each bite, then definitely break apart some of the broccoli. As you see, this is large enough, but they come about 4 times this size. So yeah, I should be able to fit everything in there. Put the foil on, and then remember 350 for 30 minutes in your oven or your air fryer, and then top it with some cheese. What Rockin Robin did, she put the cheese on from the beginning, and she did not cover hers. But when I make casseroles, I like to cover them first, and that way I know everything is cooking evenly inside. I don't want just melted cheese. I want everything to cook. And remember, my chicken, I only part cooked it. I didn't cook it completely through. So I'll bring you guys back when it's done. Hey guys, this is what it looks like. It looks so beautiful. This is without the cheese topping. It's so pretty. I don't even know if I want to put cheese on top. I see all the creaminess and everything that I'm going for. Ooh, this is so nice. And I'm hungry, can't you tell? So I decided to go ahead and add the cheese on top. I'm going to turn the temperature up to 400 degrees in my air fryer and cook this for another about 4 minutes. And then I'm going to let it rest for about 30 minutes. I'll take it out, let it rest. I don't think I could wait that long. So just to be real, I might let it rest for like 15 minutes, but we'll see. Okay guys, here's the final result. This, the cheese made a little bit of a crispy topping. Everything is nice and baked. We even have a little roasted top. So now I'm gonna plate it and show you what it looks like. So gooey and cheesy. I should just let this sit a little longer, but I can't because I'm running out of camera battery. You guys, my battery died right there and I got weak. I started eating it. I started eating it. I was so hungry, and you guys, it was so good. So I'm like trying to show you how good it looked. And then in my shame, I'm going to turn the pan around and then hopefully only get the nicer parts in the shot. But it was so good. You can see a lot of the cheesiness and the rice, the cauliflower rice. You would honestly think I use regular rice in this. Like, oh my goodness. You see that? Guys, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. And give this recipe a shot. It's the perfect comfort food. And guess what? The cauliflower rice does not taste like cauliflower. You would think you were cooking with rice. Thanks for watching. Bye.